Today I'll show you how you pair your phone in the Honda CR-V. I have the Honda CR-V 2014, but I think it will be the same in many other models with the navigation display, so with the touchscreen display. But the process is pretty straightforward. You need to turn on your ignition, because without this the system will not work. Then you need to press OK, of course. Now you have this navigation menu, you don't need it, so you go to telephone. You go to telephone menu. Now you have to choose the phone setup, and then Bluetooth setup, and then add new phone. Now you need to turn on the Bluetooth in your phone. I have the phone I want to connect. My Bluetooth is on. I go to Bluetooth settings and press OK here.
The pairing process requires operation
now
of a
Honda
Bluetooth
tells
phone.
you something
For proper
like
system function, a compatible Bluetooth phone
it's searching
is
for the
required.
phone.
Please visit the hands-free system website, listed in the owner's manual, for a list of approved phones and other system
And
information.
when it tells you all this
From the
information you
displayed
need,
list, select the desired phone.
finally it finds your phone. You may press here,
When prompted by your mobile phone,
and your
enter the
mobile
pairing
phone
code
tells you to enter the code, the PIN code. You need to enter 4 zeros. That's standard for all Hondas, and then you pair it. You just pair it.
The phone has been paired.
And now the Honda happily says you that the phone has been paired. Now you can call someone using your hands-free, and play music via Bluetooth, and do all these funny things with your Honda CR-V.